god. Let's try this. What's gonna happen? Okay, so where I'm gonna put you? So, okay, lagyan. Saan ba talaga kita? Ilalagay. Asa magigay ibutang day? Okay, let's magulo ang mundo ko this time. Okay, let's try this. Oh my god, aligaga ang bae. So, nakarecord to. This is just a trial because I'm never using this camera ever. So, pagpasensyahan mo na. Let's just check what's gonna happen. Okay, first I need to ring my mom, my sister. Okay, so let's drive with me. Oh, malubat siya. Oh, hindi pala. Okay. Okay, I have to check. So, aligaga ako sa day 1. Pray niyo po ako sa bagay sa pag-drive, Lord. Okay, let's go. Okay, come drive with me. Let's go with Claire. Okay, parang first time ko talaga actually nagamit ang camera na to. So, I don't know. I have no idea at all. And then I spend money for this. But makes me happy too. So, let's say. Uy, kainit ba? Manubag. Kanta na lang tayo. Ang Christian song. Bisaya Christian song. Let's sing happy. Ulihin ako ng police.